IMS at NPE 2015 this year, and you know, Steve, why don't you take it away and tell us what IMS is doing and what you brought to NPE?
Well, IMS has been in business since 1949, so we've 66 years experience in the injection molding industry. We are an industrial supplier. We also service the extrusion market, blow molding, rotational molding. We are involved in servicing and selling them supplies, auxiliary equipment, sprays, whatever they need in their shop on a daily basis. And we have a warehouse. We're like a Granger, but we specialize niche in the plastics industry.
Okay. Well, why don't you take us through some things that you brought this year?
Okay, great. One of the things I want to show you guys is our equipment that we brought and a couple other supply items, and I'll be happy to do that.
All right, let's go over there.
Okay.
Okay, so is this a new product you have here? Tell us a little bit about this.
Yeah, this is our new line of conveyors we came out for 2015. They're portable, they're versatile, they come in a bunch of different sizes. The nice thing about these conveyors is they're all in stock and on the shelf. And we can ship, like I said, the same day. If you have a conveyor that breaks down, something you need with cleats, we have incline. We have a non-incline horizontal as well that you don't see here. They come with two options, two different variable speed controllers. One is just your standard variable speed that you can just set and turn with a dial.
Gotcha.
But we also offer a more advanced variable speed controller that can do indexing, reversing, can interact and interface with the injection molding machine. So not only is it portable and on the shelf, we also have some sophistication built into it so you can use it for multiple different variety of applications.
Is there something else you have here that you'd like to show us?
Yeah, I have something over here I'll show you.
Okay, so I see a lot of tools here. A little bit of everything. You know,
Absolutely.
all these different shelves and this big green cart. What is it? Can you walk me through what this is exactly?
This is our newly remodeled for 2015 mold setup cart. It's called the IMS Rescue Cart. The reason it's called the Rescue Cart is because this item is used for whenever you're doing press maintenance in a molding shop. It's like a mobile tool crib. Basically, you can put all your tools on, all the things you use on a regular basis at the press. We got these unique hose holders on the side. We got a unique tray in here that these items can fit into, like nozzles, all sorts of hand tools, hammers, whatever you would normally use. You could put a toolbox on here. It has a rubber mat surface so you can set items on there and they won't have a tendency to roll off.
Gotcha.
This shelf is rated at around 300 and some pounds of weight capacity, so you can actually put a small mold on here and work on it.
What went into designing something like this? Where did you get the idea, or what did you have in mind that you were solving to create this?
Well, we originally had another cart it's called a mold setup cart, and it was pretty basic. It's been in our line for years, and it was fine, and it does a good job, but you know, the industry is always changing. So along with the industry changing, we got to change with it. So that's what IMS is. We're innovative. We're always looking for new product ideas and taking the ideas we already had that are working and making them even better. Okay. So that's where this came from. We saw that it was kind of getting out of date, and then we thought, well, we need to make some enhancements to it. Like this tray is an enhancement. Like I said, the can holders were enhancement. Just having it welded together. The last cart you had to bolt together yourself. We found out, the molders told us they don't like doing that. They don't want to have to sit there and put bolts and nuts together.
Okay.
They wanted to come in one piece. We listened to the molder, and now this is what you have as a result.
Interesting. Okay, great.
So I got one more item to show you guys. This is our corner tumbler. We've been, like I said before, we've been in business since 1949. We developed the first tumbler around 1950, and we've been making ever since then.
Okay.
Again, it's had many iterations. It's a simple item, but it does a great job. It mixes your plastic, your two colored resins together, and it doesn't have touch screen. There's not a lot of fancy componentry to it. It's not as sophisticated as a blender, but it does the job. Mixing two components together with a barrel. A lot of shops still use this technology today, and we've updated it to fit all the current molders' needs.
Are there any added benefits to using this versus maybe something that is a little more technical, sophisticated?
I would say mostly cost and the amount of material you can do at once.
Oh, okay, so you can do more material with this?
Yeah, well, it depends on how big you go, but for the same amount of material mixing in one of those bigger sophisticated pieces of equipment, this will do it for a much cheaper cost to the molder.
Oh, okay.
And of course, you want to keep molders with their costs down because
yeah,
that's
of course.
important.
Everyone wants to do that.
Absolutely.
Great. Hey, well, thanks for speaking with us.
You're very welcome. Thanks for stopping by today.
Yeah,
I really appreciate it.
good look at the show.
Okay.